Hi guys, it's Nitu and we're here doing a video about Italian snacks, particularly snacks during the holiday season. And so we bought and we've been collecting an assortment of them. Some of them I've tried before because, probably all of them are available every year and they keep coming back because they're seasonal. Some of them are available all year round. And so I've been in Italy for a while now, so I've tried a lot of them, but not all of them. So some of them are new for me. I'll let you know which ones.
Okay, so first a question. What do you think about my Italian accent?
Oh no.
Let's go.
I wonder. That's a good question. Okay, I tried to find snacks that probably you wouldn't be able to find where you are, but I don't know. This one you will because it's by Ferrero Rocher. And it is the Raffaello, and this one
the
white Raffaello. Well, no, Raffaello is white.
White, yeah.
Because the other one is
Ferrero
just
Rocher is just black.
Yeah, just Ferrero Rochers with milk chocolate and hazelnut. And anyways, you have a bunch of Ferrero Rocher brand products. Kinder is by Ferrero Rocher, isn't it?
No, Kinder is by Ferrero. Stop.
Ferrero. What's the difference? Ferrero or Ferrero Rocher?
No, Rocher is the type of the sweet, but Ferrero is the company.
So it's all by the same company. Okay. I was confused.
Just check on Bloomberg how rich is Ferrero, now you see.
Ta-da! It's a little coconut ball. Enrico, have you ever tried this before?
Absolutely yes.
Okay. I don't know. Your father hasn't.
No, my father is the black guy, me and the white one.
Oh, I love the coconutty flavor of this. It's a coconut ball. If you are from Brazil, you know Brigadeiros. Brigadeiros is a coconutty. They have the coconut one and they have the chocolate one.
Because you tried in Portugal.
Yeah, I tried in Portugal. The Brigadeiros, which is a
by the way, you
Brazilian
should
sweet.
go to Portugal to have a vacation, eh?
This one's for you.
Yes.
You want to try only half of it, or you want to try all of it? He ate the nut because there's a hazelnut in the center, no? And look, and then there's a coconut cream inside, and it's a white chocolate shell with coconuts. But I just love the, I'm not a big white chocolate fan. It's okay. I like white chocolate. I like every kind of chocolate in the world.
Try this one.
But the cream in the center is what's special. It's a white chocolate coconutty cream, but the combination is really good. Okay. Another Italian snack, there's so much, I don't even know what to choose, but I already showed you the Kinder Egg. This one, yes, you have in North America. And, where did I put the box? Too. Okay.
That is the three eggs box, no?
These are the Kinder Surprise eggs.
Kinder Surprise, yes.
Yeah, it's a 3-in-1 box.
This is the most famous box, yeah.
3 eggs in a box.
Yes,
And I chose the one that said fairies on it because I like fairies. In case you didn't know. And I thought, and it says Disney fairies, so I thought, maybe there'd be Tinkerbell or Disney fairy type dolly things in here. So I already opened 2 and I've eaten 2 eggs already. And I got these little creatures. One is a snail, which I think is so cute, and a turtle, which is also really cute. And then the leaf comes off, and then you push in, there's a hole here, and you push it, and yeah. And then the lid or the shell comes off, and you can put a secret note or jewelry in there or something, whatever's small enough. I don't know. It's for kids though. Yeah, so remember that these are not for little kids. These are for elementary school aged kids. Did you know that Kinder Surprise eggs were banned in the US for many years?
Why?
Because
the way I think the surprise.
Because some parents bought them for little kids. And
the little kids
the kids choked. Yeah.
It's written on the paper. If you write, don't use before 3 years old, 1 year old.
Yeah.
It's written. Be aware, it contains giocattolo. So
it contains toys, not suitable for little children.
More parts, please be watched by an adult.
So this is the surprise egg. So this is kind of new in America now because it's just been reintroduced because it was banned for a long time. So I think last year it came back.
It is nice because it is brown out and white inside. You will see.
But how do you open it without completely? Okay.
A normal person should say with the hands you open. Huh?
Yeah, I know, with the hands. So there's white chocolate inside, but it's not a normal white chocolate. It's like a milkier, more like it's a particular taste, almost like the milk, evaporated milk more. I don't know. It's different. It's a stronger white chocolate taste. And so inside you have the little toy.
Yum yum.
Yum.
Okay, so then you get to play with the toy. So when I was a kid, I used to love these so much. I used to play with them all the time. Oh, finally! So it comes with these small little parts inside, and I think I finally got an actual fairy instead of like a turtle or a snail thing. And then it's really easy to just, like, without even reading the instructions, it's really easy. You can just easily put it together. Yeah, you put it in a shell. And this one has wings, so cute. It's a fairy, this one. This one is a fairy. I got a little fairy. That's why I bought this one.
It will be your favorite, this one.
It will be our fairy. So I don't know what Disney character this is. Inside, you get a book of, this is just the warning. So these are the fairies that you can collect. Yeah. So I got a little fairy. And then in the other ones, I got a little snail treasure thing. And I got this little turtle treasure box thingy. And this is why I like Kinder. That's like the only reason, pretty much.
Also for the chocolate.
But the chocolate's just okay. I mean, it's for kids, but as an adult, I'm more interested in the toys.
Ah, see?
What's wrong with me?
I don't know, but me, I can eat the chocolate.
Okay, moving on. Another snack that I really like and that I have tried before.
Let's go to Sicily, no?
Are these Sicilian almond cookie things. They're very soft. I guess they're kind of like marzipan-y.
Planet
chocolates.
sweets in Sicily, guys. Planet sweets.
Oh, Italian sweets are the best. So it came in this little box like this.
Sicilian sweets.
And it's also a street food because there's so many of these like food stands that you see.
Pasta di mandorla you eat.
Yeah, and it's called pasta di mandorla di Sicilia. And it's not Sicily in Italian, and it's not Sicilia in Italian. In Italian, it's pronounced Sicilia.
Sì.
So pasta di mandorla di Sicilia.
Mandorla in English is what? Is
almond.
Yes.
But it tastes like marzipan, and I love Sicilian marzipan. So they're soft cookies. We got two different kinds. This is the orange one, and this is the pistachio one. And then I opened it from the bottom, and you know it comes in a bag. And they're individually packed, but you can get it on the streets of Italy in little food stands, but they're kind of expensive.
In the food stands, yes.
Especially, it's like
but they're good,
50 euros for 100 grams. But like one of these is like almost 100 grams.
But it's good,
This is the pistachio one. They're really soft cookies and kind of chewy, like that. Can you see? Yeah.
Good,
I like pistachio a lot.
These are good, you know.
Pistachio one has a pistachio kind of taste. Sorry, pistachio in English.
Pistachio. And pistachio in Italian.
In Italian, pistachio in English. Okay, this is the orange one. I'll review the smaller one this time. I really like these cookies. Some people might find them too sweet. They're really sweet.
So in Sicily, if you go, you eat sweets.
Yeah.
Very sweet sweets. Also, do you remember the cannolo?
Oh my gosh, that is so sweet. We need to eat one of these crocs. This is a snack that you can find in the supermarket. And this is friulano.
I don't know if in US you can find that stuff. Maybe.
In the Italian supermarket. And this is called croc.
You remember what was that show of the cook? Master Chef.
Master Chef.
Master Chef. There was the Italian guy, Luca from Pordenone, which is near our home.
In this region, yeah.
Which won with doing a fricco.
Doing a fricco. And this is a little snack called fricchetti.
Chin chin, Coca-Cola.
Yeah. We need to change our palates. The Sicilian sweets are really, really sweet. And a fricco is fried or melted cheese And in this case, it's the hard frico. So it's hard, it's a particular kind of cheese, but this is a hard fried cheese. It's basically cheese that's been fried.
Actually, you can do at home. You just buy in the supermarket grana parmigiano reggiano, you know, that one that you put over the pasta. You put a little oil in the pan, you put some parmigiano reggiano over until it gets goldy, and then you keep it out and you eat.
But sometimes they use other cheeses too. And then, so I think Luca did the soft frico. So he mixed potato, and it's like, he made it like a pancake.
Luca, I think, made the frico with the potatoes, I think.
So there's two kinds, with potato or without. And without, it's usually fried, and with, it's with potatoes, and it's soft.
Yeah.
And it's like a big it looks like a big pancake. Okay, and now we're going to Siena.
Siena is in Tuscany, central Italy. So we are coming north from Sicily.
Yeah. Siena has panforte. Panforte with figs and walnuts. And this is panforte with almonds and different dried fruit. Candied fruit, sorry. And these are holiday season things, aren't they?
Sì, beh, ma you eat all the year.
Uh-oh, I didn't pre-open this little one, and I think this is difficult.
No, it's not difficult.
No.
For a normal person, it's not difficult. I don't know for you.
For me, it's difficult.
This is a panforte. What it is?
This is panforte with figs and walnuts, and it's a very chewy, soft thing. Okay, this is my first time eating this.
Ooh.
I've never had this before. It's not normal. And I don't know where to get this in Canada, so. It smells like dried prunes. And it looks like dried fruit. So, actually, let me show you. Yeah, it looks just like dried fruit.
What do you think?
It reminds me of a Japanese snack or a Japanese food. Mochi. You know rice cake, the chewy kind that you can get in Asia? It has the same feeling and consistency as mochi, which is rice cake, which is soft. The soft rice cakes. And like the snack ones, the sweet ones, not the ones that you like put in soup.
Quante cose conosci? How much stuff you know, eh?
Anyways, it's like that. But it has a taste of dried prunes or dates.
But in this case, because...
And with the walnuts. Yeah, let's try the other one. This one is the almond and candied fruit one. And it looks the same on the outside. And it's equally as soft, but it has a lighter color. It's not as purple as the other one. But again, it looks like dried apricot or something.
This I like. This I like. This I like a lot.
I prefer the other one.
Oh, yeah.
This one has bigger pieces of almonds in it. And I like almonds, but the fruit part of it, the mochi fruit part of it, has, do you know fruit cake? That is the flavor. Fruit cake. Okay, this is called tartufati. Is that the right pronunciation?
The tartufo, no? You know the tartufo in English.
But tartufo is
the radish that it goes under the
truffles.
Truffles, yeah.
Truffles. They're talking about truffles, but there are no truffles in here.
No.
This is my first time trying these as well. But these come out every year, and there's so many different kinds of like these bars of, all of them are different. So I don't know, I've tried some types, but not this one. So I already cut them up and I put them on a plate. This is they say pistachio flavor. And this is what it looks like. And it was a big bar that I just chopped up into pieces. Okay, do you want to try half of it?
I've never tried.
No.
Let's try.
Yeah, let's cut it in half. I do like it, but it doesn't taste anything like pistachio. Do you taste pistachio?
No.
What do you taste?
It is milk.
It's like milk and lemon.
Mm.
It's like a milk chocolate with a lemon flavor. The center actually had a lemon flavor. I wonder if they made a mistake or
There's
something.
no pistachio here, guys.
Yeah. But this was the pistachio one.
Ah.
Because the other one is the chocolate one. This is the end of the bar. So it's like that. Mmm. It says gusto al rum. So taste of rum. I taste the rum.
Right.
Yeah, it tastes like a rum chocolate. Like a dark chocolate with rum in it. And that one's good. I like that.
See, it's better the chocolate one than the pistachio one, which doesn't taste as a pistachio, you know?
Yeah, it's like, you know when you get a box of chocolates and you get the little chocolates and with soft chocolate in the center as well and maybe a rum flavor, it just tastes like that. And then the other kind of bar thing, and I already cut it. I already
This is the
cut.
classic Torone.
This is the classic Torone, but it's soft.
Ah, see, you have a hard one and a soft one. This is a soft one.
This is definitely a seasonal thing, and this one, sorry, and this one I have tried before, because this is like whenever I go to people's houses during the winter or Christmas times, they have this. But this is a soft one because they have a hard one.
This one, look.
Yeah. And I cut them into pieces again.
Shall we try?
Try it.
This is good, but I can buy better ones.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. It tastes like almond. Like you're eating almonds, but that are sweetened.
Mm-hmm.
And it has a much lighter flavor than any of the other things we tried. So to me, it's just like, okay.
I have eaten better.
But I prefer the soft ones. There's the hard kind, and you need a hammer to break it.
I remember, yeah.
And you could break it, like I feel like I could break my teeth. But yeah, so it's okay. That's not my favorite. I'm not a big fan of Pandoros or Panettones or Torones.
She is the chocolate gal.
Yeah, I like chocolate. Anything chocolate.
She is the tartufo chocolate gal. Look. She is this one. She is this one.
Okay, so let's try that one then. These are truffles. And here you are.
Oi, oi.
Yeah.
Mm.
And it's just a chocolate. It's a chocolate truffle. You can't go wrong with truffles.
And even you can go wrong with calories. Look. 100 grams, 600 calories.
I don't know. Let's have another spaghetti.
Ecco guys, only, sorry for you, only US and Canadian people can eat chocolate and cheese. Cheese and chocolate, sorry.
I need to change the flavor in my mouth. It's too much sweet.
So like when we go out for having dinner, we eat a good fish, and then we have a good sweet, and then we have some wine. After the wine, normal people could drink a coffee. And she eat a latte macchiato, you know?
Cafe latte.
Cafe latte, like that.
Because I don't like just coffee. I need milk and stuff. And sugar.
So for her it's breakfast time, no? At the end of the day.
I believe in yin and yang and the balance between salty and sour. So I'm just restoring the balance.
Oi, oi.
It's natural.
Oi, oi.
Okay, this will be the last thing. This is a cremino.
From Torino.
So it is like Nutella. It uses hazelnut. So it's like a hazelnut chocolate and with hazelnut cream kind of in the middle. Maybe you can get this in Toronto, I'm not sure.
I think so. You go in a chocolate shop.
So this is what it looks like on the side. It's like that. Yeah, it's I'm going to show you. Yeah, this is the cremino.
Right? This is not chocolate, This is not chocolate.
It's like eating Nutella kind of, but it's more delicate and soft. I really like it. I hope this was a fun video. I hope this wasn't boring, watching other people eat.
So remember the Sicilian sweets, very good, and the Sienna sweets from Central Italy.
And I like the fairy Kinder because I like the toys. They have these are like the best toys so far that I've ever had in Kinder. So.
The fairy.
The fairy stuff. Okay, thanks for watching.
Now that I lost the use of my knees, I should go to the bathroom in this position.
He's not used to sitting on the floor.
No, it's impossible. She puts the leg
Italian
under his
people
head.
don't sit on the floor.
No, I'm not elastic. I'm a piece of wood, you know. Now
And they wear shoes in their house.
Who?
Italian people.
Me, no.
Yeah, because you live with me.
No, also my mother is from
But in general, they wear shoes in their
Not
house.
so general. It depends. 50-50.
Are you sure?
Si, I'm quite sure.
Italian people let me know.
Are
you lying to me right now?
No, I'm not lying.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was interesting for you. Have a great holiday season. Bye.
Ciao. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.